Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve 5 power x plus 6 is equals to 6 power x plus 5 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with the today's video solution. So exponent rule x power m plus n, we can write it as x power m times x power n. So 5 power x times 5 power 6. Similarly, 6 power x times 6 power 5. Now, I can write the x terms together. So, 5 power x by 6 power x is equals to 6 power 5 by 5 power 6. So, here 5 by 6 whole power x is equals to 6 power 5 by 5 power 6. Now, I am taking log on both sides. So, it becomes log 5 by 6 whole power x is equals to log 6 power 5 by 5 power 6. So it becomes x log 5 by 6 is equals to log 6 power 5 by 5 power 6. Now x is equals to log 6 power 5 by 5 power 6 by log 5 by 6. According to log rule, log a by b, we can write it as log a minus log b. Similarly, x is equals to log 6 power 5 minus log 5 power 6 by, similarly in denominator, log 5 minus log 6. So x is equals to 5 log 6 minus 6 log 5 by log 5 minus log 6. So you can put the values of log 5 and log 6 and multiplication and solve it, or you can leave it here as well. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.